Dear Colonel Sanders, I need to tell you, you're not the only KFC in town. There's a different KFC and it's from South Korea and it's bloody delicious. This is hands down my favourite fried chicken. So good. This Korean fried chicken is nothing like its American counterpart. It's sticky, it's bright red in colour, it's spicy, and it's got this coating that you'll crunch through to get to this amazingly juicy chicken. This is the ultimate KFC. This Korean fried chicken recipe was the actual recipe I used in the MasterChef The Professionals quarterfinals. The most important part to getting juicy chicken is to marinate your chicken. We're going to be using a bit of buttermilk. We've got chicken thighs here which have been diced, and we're going to add in our buttermilk, a pinch of garlic granules, cayenne, for a bit of spice, and a bit of salt as well. Give that a little mixy. And we need to leave that for at least an hour, but preferably overnight in the fridge. We're going to be coating the chicken in Korean BBQ sauce. This is the best sauce. The secret to the sauce is it's dead easy. The key ingredient for this Korean BBQ sauce is gochujang. Gochujang is a Korean red pepper paste. It's a fermented, spicy chili paste which just goes with everything, but it's really high in umami flavour. I'd really urge you to get a tub of gochujang and have it sitting in your cupboard, because there are so many delicious recipes that you can make with this paste. I'm going to be using gochujang through the month of March and creating 6 different recipes highlighting this amazing ingredient. To make the sauce, ideally you'd use sesame oil, but I went to the shops twice today and forgot to get it, so we're just using veg oil here. And then we're going to add in pureed ginger and garlic. Give that a little cook off. Once that's cooked off for about a minute, we can add in our gochujang and ketchup. And then half a cup of sugar and half a cup of honey. Finish off with rice wine vinegar and soy. Once that all comes to a boil, that is your sauce done. It's super quick and easy. And if you see, it's beautifully coating the spoon. It's red, it's sticky, it's delicious. Like, just what you need. It's perfectly balanced. Sweetness, acidity, spice, yes. I've literally got messy already.
Lol.
Coating chicken. We've got 2 types of flours. We have plain flour and corn flour. Give those a little mixerooski. Try and get in a big bowl because it's going to get messy. We've got our chicken that has been marinating in the buttermilk. The different flour is going to give it that beautiful coating, so it will have those little crunchy nuggets of crispiness and a nice coating. When you've got some chicken thighs breaded, you're going to add them directly to the oil. Make sure you're super careful at this stage because it's really easy to burn yourself, and you want to be frying at about 180 degrees. Once these are crispy, look at it, it's literally steaming. It's golden, it's crispy, it's crunchy. When you get to that stage, you can take it out and just drain it on some kitchen roll. Can you hear that? That is the crunch of these chicken nuggets. Because of the corn flour and the plain flour, they actually hold their crunch. So we're gonna load up this plate. I'm just trying to give it that street food sort of feel with a bit of baking parchment. I'm gonna pile these chicken nuggets high. And we've got this Korean barbecue sauce. It's got, as it's cooled, it's got even stickier. I mean, that's just gonna coat all these nugs now. That's the ultimate KFC, the Korean fried chicken done. This is hands down my favourite fried chicken. So good. Thanks for watching, and if you made this Korean fried chicken, give me a tag. Until next time, see you later.